Hello everyone and welcome back to Alteryx Tutorials. I'm Mark Thompson with Watermark Data. Today's session we're going to be covering weekly challenge number 169. And this is not a complicated challenge and we're not going to be interpreting a whole lot. We simply have some data about the Women's World Cup and we want to know which team won the most matches. It's really that simple and we should get through this fairly quick. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we've got a set of data where we've got team I and J, home I and J, score I and J, and a date that the game took place. Some of this information is not really important. We're not going to care about the home I or J or the date. It's really just what team and what was the score. First thing we're doing is we stick on a formula tool that effectively says if I is greater than J, give me team I. If J is greater than I, give me team J. Else, if neither, then tie. Okay? And if. Next, I throw on this formula, and I didn't necessarily need to, but I said, if it's a tie, say tie, else say winner. That really, it's if the scores are equal, it's a tie. If not, it's a winner. And it's that simple. There's nothing real complicated about this challenge today. Next thing we want to do is filter just for the winners. So we say, based on this, what is the winner? Next, we're going to take and we're going to sum those winners. We're going to group by them. And we're going to count them. And our result, as you can see down here in the window, we've now got 62 records for 62 teams. And the count of how many wins they've got. How many matches did they win? Next, let's go ahead and sort that result. In descending order, count, descending, and as you can see, England has the most wins with 16. Since that's all we're interested in, we can throw on a little sample tool here. First number of rows with n equaling 1. First n rows, n1, and we've got our result of England has the most wins. That will wrap it up. I am Mark Thompson with Watermark Data. Please hit like, please hit share, and as always, we welcome your comments and feedback. Have yourself a great afternoon.